welcome to BA Survival. Today we're going to be talking about ferro rods. Ferro rods come in a whole range of size, varieties, makes, etc. Now the question that normally gets asked is which is the best ferro rod, and are some ferro rods better than others? This one's particularly useful because it's got quite a large length of ferro rod, which means you can scrape off more material. This is your kind of standard size. Again, you probably pick these up for £5 or £6, and this is a Webtex one. You can get these smaller ones. These normally come as part of survival tins. You can buy these online for less than £1. But what I'm going to do is to test these ferro rods on a variety of different tinders. So the tinders that we're going to choose then, firstly, is good old birch bark, some fat wood, and some feather sticks. So that's a kind of range of different materials that you could find in the wild. For a striker then, a striker can be just as important as a good ferro rod. What I'm using is the saw on my Swiss Army knife, finding that angle where it's actually starting to dig in that little bit. If it's flat against it, then it doesn't matter how sharp that edge is, you're not making the right contact. What you need to do is get that angle. The other method is to pin the material with the blade, and then you can drag nice big sparks. So the first one, birch bark. This is nice and thin paper birch bark. Just going to rough that up a little bit. So yeah, works. See there, first real strike. The first one didn't even really produce any sparks. Yeah, nice and easy, no problem with that one. So yeah, this little one is working very, very well. Yeah, lovely hot sparks there, no problem. And the big one. I'm finding this technique very useful. The pin, and of course this one. You can see just there the sheer number of sparks produced in one fine area. In general, yes, the longer it is, the better it is. But that doesn't mean that these little ones are useless. So there you go then. Hopefully you found that useful. If you're looking to buy a ferro rod, you have some idea of the capabilities. Even these little ones can be very useful. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and check out some of these other videos.